Now, the topic for discussion is regression. We have already studied about correlation, where we established the relationship between the two variables. Now, see, once we establish the relationship between the two variables, we can see that one variable can be as an effect of the other, or other can be an effect of the first. What I mean to say is, let's say I have two variables. One is y. It is related to the another variable x. If the relationship exists, what we want now, if there is a close association of the two variables, what is the next aim is to find out what exactly is there any equation, any relationship I can establish. Y और x मान लीजिए एक दूसरे से क्लोजली एसोसिएटेड है. कोरिलेशन क्या निकला उनका? पॉजिटिव निकला या नेगेटिव, बट देयर इज अ कोरिलेशन बिटवीन दिस टू y and x. I can say y is a function of x, and it can be written in the form of equation like this, right? दोनों वेरिएबल्स एक दूसरे से कोरिलेटेड रहते हैं, तो हम उनके बीच में एक रिलेशनशिप, एक एल्जेब्रिक कंपोजिशन क्रिएट करने की एम है हमारा. सो व्हाट आई वुड सी दैट regression analysis, it summarizes on an average the relationship between the two variables. The theory which is behind fitting a regression line present in as an algebraic exposition of the OLS. OLS means ordinary least square regression coefficient. And what is it? OLS means जो least square होता है उस पे बेस्ड ये उस बेस पे ये कॉन्सेप्ट होता है. लीस्ट स्क्वायर किस चीज का? लीस्ट स्क्वायर of the difference between the predicted value and the observed value. So regression analysis, it is a statistical tool for investigation of the relationship between the variables. Usually what we do, the investigator, we try to seek to and we try to ascertain certain the causal effect of one variable upon another. हम एक रिलेशनशिप स्टैब्लिश करने की कोशिश करते हैं कि ये अगर कॉस है तो उसका वाई पे क्या अफेक्ट होगा. एग्जाम्पल, सेल्स पर एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस का क्या असर होता है. हमने इस्टेब्लिश कर लिया कोरिलेशन, राइट? हमने इस्टेब्लिश कर लिया कि सेल्स और एक्सपेंसेस के बीच में जो कोरिलेशन है वो एग्जिस्ट करता है, वो पॉजिटिव कोरिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करता है. अब हम स्टैब्लिश करना चाहते हैं कि सेल्स कितनी होती है जब एक्स मतलब एक्सपेंडिचर की वैल्यू दी हो. अगर हमने कहा एक्स की वैल्यू दे रखी है 10 units या 10,000 if it is in sales and we have the values, if I put this much of advertisement expenses, अगर हम इतना खर्चा लगाते हैं तो सेल्स हमारी कितनी होगी? क्या कोई एक established relationship create की जा सकती है? So this comes under the topic regression. Regression क्या होता है? Regression establish करता है in the form of an equation कि ये जो y है dependent variable, वो independent variable की value के हिसाब से predict किया जा सके, calculate किया जा सके. Not necessary it will exactly will be the same what we will get, but somehow it will lie near to the real value. जो difference होगा real value और predicted value में, that difference, aim of our regression is to reduce that difference. So we study the regression. Similarly, the effect we can study that in the case of cases like where we want to study the effect of the money supply upon the inflation rate. So money supply, we can have the variable as an x independent, and inflation we can have as a dependent variable y, and we can establish this type of an equation relationship between these two variables. So if I establish like this relationship, this will be called simple linear regression. Now, what is simple linear regression? When I say it is simple linear regression, It means first of all, the relationship between the two variable is linear. The relationship between y and x variable, it is linear in nature. When I say linear in nature, that means there is a fixed ratio in which these two variables vary. Simple means I'm using only one factor. There can be many more factors which will affect y. सेल्स पर एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस का अफेक्ट पड़ रहे हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है. सेल्स पर बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स हैं जो अफेक्ट करते हैं, नॉट ओनली द एडवर्टाइजमेंट एक्सपेंसेस. देयर कैन बी मेनी अदर फैक्टर. द प्रोडक्ट कैन बी अनदर. देयर कैन बी प्रमोशंस फर्दर. So many factors which will affect sales. But what we are doing, we are only focusing on, our focus is on one factor. So it is simple linear regression. It can be multiple. In case if I have to study the effect of more than one factor on the sales, it can be X1, advertisement expenses, it can be X2, it can be promotion, it can be X3, it can be X4 and so on. हम इन सब अलग अलग फैक्टर्स का असर सेल्स पर अगर पढ़ते हैं, तभी सिंपल लीनियर रिग्रेशन की जगह वी कॉल इट मल्टीपल linear regression, because now multiple factors came into the roles. So I would say the goal of the regression analysis is to determine the value of the parameter for a function that causes the function to best fit a set of data observations. In linear regression model, the dependent variable, here it is y, it is assumed to be in a linear relationship with the independent variable. Whatever which we have not been considering, जो हम कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे इन फैक्टर्स को, एक ही फैक्टर को कंसिडर कर रहे हैं, तो ये सारे अदर फैक्टर्स का जो अफेक्ट है, जनरली मेनी बुक्स यू विल सी इट्स रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइक एरर. इक्वेशन में एरर इंक्लूड किया जा सकता है, किया जाता है rather, for what this error stands for the effect of all other factors which are not taken into consideration. So let us have another example. Let us assume there are two values x and y. Y can be y which is dependent can be sales we can consider, and the independent variable x I have taken into consideration. If I draw this equation in the form of on the graph, how this equation will look? It will look like this. Why? Because A is an intercept, B is the slope. Because it is plus, I have given the slope plus. If it would have been negative, the slope would have been negative, like this. So this is what I did. This is an equation, y is equal to A plus bx. But when I collect the data and plot it on the graph, जब हम data collect करते हैं किस चीज का, sales और advertisement expenditure का, और हम plot करते हैं, तो वो जो observations है, not necessary वो equation exactly उसी पे lie करें. Observations, if I have noted down, some observations can be like this. So ये जो observations है, उसके लिए जो हमने एक standard relationship या एक trend line establish करी, वो trending ये है. This is a line. Need not necessarily all the observation lie on this line. So जो ये observations हैं, जो line पे lie नहीं कर रहे हैं, इनके बीच का जो difference है, how far is this? How far the observations are away from this line, regression line. This is the aim that we should reduce. Regression line is a line which is created on with the goal that the difference between the observation point and the predicted point, the observation value and the predicted value should minimum. It should be minimum. So the line will be called the best fit straight line.